Hello dear subscribers. Today I will show you how you can easily install Facebook Gaming new stream application from Facebook to your Android. So actually now we haven't any version of it to iOS, so we can only install it to your Android device. So you need to have Android device. So just open Play Market and just write Facebook Gaming, and here you will see Facebook Gaming. Just click on install. And wait some time after it will load. So here you can see that it actually started downloading. So we need to wait some time after it will download it and install it to our phone, and we need to wait some time. So now it's starting to installing, so download also finish, and we need to wait some time. So installing finish. So let's open our application. So just wait after it will scan all files new for your Facebook gaming application, and just propose you to open it. So here you can see open, just click on it. So just click here to open it, and here you can see that we successfully open our application, with which you can also stream your gaming on different games. So you just need to enter with your Facebook, sign into with your Facebook. So just enter here email or phone and here password, and just click continue. So after do it, you can also enter with your Facebook and just start streaming your live gaming video. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.